talk about data management and volunteer tracking. When creating or improving your volunteer data management system, it's important to consider what information you want to store and how easy it will be to then extract the information you need from that storage system. Consider how you will store volunteer contact information, skills and interests, intake forms received and interviews conducted, current volunteer assignments, tracking volunteer hours, and also how you'll be able to query your database to easily find, for example, volunteers interested in helping with events, as well as how easy it will be to report out how many board volunteer hours have been donated, say, in this calendar quarter. Lauren Adkins wrote in the Main Street News that while some Main Street programs maintain very elaborate volunteer databases, others may get by just fine with a simple box of index cards. As with any information management system, the important thing is to pick the system that's easiest for you and make sure that you use it. Any data management system is only as valuable as the level to which it's maintained. In this section of the toolkit, you'll find two Microsoft Excel files. One is a sample database with dummy information entered to demonstrate the functionality of the tool, including multi-selection drop-down lists to track and filter based on volunteer interests, formulas to display the volunteer's name using a nickname if one is entered, formatting for phone numbers, drop-downs to look up volunteer name for tracking volunteer activity, formulas to calculate hours based on start time and end time, and pivot tables to tally hours donated by volunteer, by role, and by calendar year quarter. The second file is the same spreadsheet with all of the formulas and functionality, but blank and ready for you to start entering data without having to delete the dummy data and risking deleting some of the formulas. As with any data management system, some amount of configuration and customization is likely necessary. So these spreadsheets are unprotected and completely editable. But hopefully, its basic design and functionality will be useful for many of you to use immediately.